boys and girls, it's Mrs. Walker. For our lesson today, we're going to continue working with coins, and we're going to be working with coins to find the least number of coins, or to use the least number of coins to make a given number. So our learning goal for today says, I can use the fewest number of coins to make a given value. So for example, if I were to say, use coins to make 5 cents, to show me 5 cents, you could make it with 5 pennies because that would be 5 cents. Or the fewest number of coins possible would be just 1 nickel. That would represent 5 cents. Okay, so let's jump in and get started. So you're going to use your coins. So if you don't have coins, grab them now. If you don't have coins, you can always draw a model with it. But if you have your coins, go ahead and grab those. And what I would suggest doing through this lesson, friends, is before you even start, organize your coins by putting all the pennies in a pile and all the nickels in a pile, dimes in a pile, quarters in a pile. And you won't need any more than 5 of each one, okay? All right, so make sure you have those materials ready. And what I want you to do now is I want you to use your coins to show 50 cents in 2 ways. So show me how you can make it using one set of coins, and then how can you make it using a whole nother set of coins, but not the same way. So you're not going to use the same exact coins for both ways. Okay, so pause the video and come up with 2 different ways that you can show 50 cents using your coins. Click play when you're ready to go over it together. All right, friends, if you need more time, click pause, but if not, let's go over it. So the first way that I came up with was 25 cents and 25 cents because 2 quarters make 50 cents. Another way that I came up with was 5 dimes because 5 dimes also equals 50 cents. Did you come up with either one of these ways, friend? Oh, you did? Awesome. And then there are other ways. So if you came up with another way besides this one, that's super awesome too. So if you were giving someone 50 cents, which combination of coins do you think they would rather have? I think they would probably rather have 2 quarters. And my guess of why they would want to have 2 quarters is 1, because who doesn't love a quarter, right? And 2, because you only have 2 of those as opposed to you would have 5 dimes. And me, I'd have a greater chance of losing more coins. So if I only have a couple coins I have to keep track of and hold on to, I probably have a better chance of holding on to those instead of more. I might lose some if I had a bunch. All right, so now you're going to use your coins to show 40 cents with the fewest coins possible. So how can you make 40 cents with your coins with the fewest or smallest number of coins possible? Okay, so go ahead and pause the video and go ahead and build your number using your coins and then click play when you're ready to go over it together. All right, friends, here we go. So you can make 40 cents with 4 dimes. That represents 40 cents. You could also make it with 1 quarter, 1 dime, and 1 nickel. So this would be 25, 35, 40 cents. Which way has the fewest coins? You can point. Yeah, this one does, right? This one only has 3 coins and the other one has 4. And again, that goes back to less coins is easier to keep track of. So let's count out 35 cents using 3 dimes and 1 nickel. So to this one, I'm telling you exactly how to be able to count this. So 3 dimes and 1 nickel. Okay, so go ahead and make that on your model. Okay, so there's my 35 cents. How many coins do we have there? Yeah, 4. Okay, can you exchange any of the coins to have fewer coins? Because maybe let's say we can find a way to have less coins. Right now we only have 4, but what's a way we can maybe make less coins? Yeah, so I can combine some of these coins and I could trade it in or exchange it for another coin. So I'm going to take 2 dimes and a nickel, which is 10, 20, 25 cents, and I'm going to trade it in for a quarter. Then I'm left with that other dime, so I'm going to put that there. So now I modeled 35 cents. But this time, I have less coins. So in my first picture, we have 4 coins. And in my second picture, how many coins did we have in that one, friends? Yeah, we only had 2 with that one. So again, which combination of coins would you rather have? Yeah, I'd rather have the one with less coins, right? With only 2. Awesome. All right, so let's look at another one, friends. So you're going to count out 60 cents using 4 dimes and 4 nickels. So go ahead and do that as I do it on my screen too. So you need 4 dimes and 4 nickels. So go ahead and get those coins out. Okay. All right, so there we have 60 cents. If you need more time, make sure you click pause. Okay, so in here we have 8 coins. That's a lot of coins. I don't know about you, but I would probably lose some of those coins if I had to carry on 8 coins. So can we exchange any of the coins to be able to have fewer coins? What can we do? Yeah, so I know I want to maybe try and make another quarter, right? So I need 2 dimes and a nickel to make 1 quarter. So I have that right there, and I'm going to trade it in for a quarter. Now, is there anything else in our group of coins that we can trade in? Yeah, look at that. There's 2 more dimes and a nickel, so another quarter that I can trade in. And then now I'm left with 2 nickels. What can I trade in 2 nickels for? So 5 plus 5, what is that going to turn into? It's going to turn into a dime. So now I have 25 cents plus 25 cents, which we know is 50 cents, and then 10 more cents still gives me 60 cents. So I just modeled 2 different ways to make 60 cents. But notice how I was able to exchange coins when I had a lot more and turn them into smaller coins or less coins or fewer coins. It's not really smaller coins, it's fewer coins. So how many coins did we have on the picture on the left? Yeah, we had 8. And how many coins do we have on the right? Yeah, only 3. So which combination of coins would you rather have? Yeah, I'd rather have only 3 coins because I don't want to lose my money. You work hard for that money, right? So we don't want to lose it. All right, so here's another one. How can we make 27 cents using the fewest number of coins possible? So I want you to try and make 25 cents using the fewest number of coins possible. All right, friends, so here's what I came up with. A quarter, right? 25, and then 2 pennies. So 25, 26, 27. So I made 27 cents. How many coins do we have? Only 3. Okay. So make sure that when you want to make using numbers using the fewest number of coins possible, that you start with the greatest value coin, and that will help you to be able to use the fewest coins possible. Like if I started with pennies, I'd have to count a lot of pennies to get there. So if I start with a coin that has a larger value or a greater value, it's going to help me use fewer coins. So now here's another one, which is very similar to what we were just doing, but I want you to try and show 60 cents using the fewest number of coins possible by decomposing. So decomposing is just breaking apart that 60, okay, just what we did in the last problem, into as many 25s as you can, and then 10s, and then 5s. Okay, so start with your quarters first, and then use your dimes, and then use your nickels, and use whatever you need to, but start with those quarters first. Okay, so click play when you're ready to go over it together. All right, so here we go. So I'm going to start with my quarters, right? So 25, and another quarter makes 50. Ooh, so I'm super duper close to 60. So I'm at 50, I just need to get to 60. One more dime, and that's going to give me my 60 cents. How many coins do we have? 3. Okay, and then remember, start with the greatest value coin to use the fewest number of coins. Okay, so that'll be your great trick today when you go work in your problem set. Start with quarters. Anytime you can, always, always, always start with quarters because it will make it easier. Okay. All right, so nice work, friends. You guys did a great job using the fewest number of coins to make a given value. I'm super proud of you. Thank you for working so hard with me and playing with some money. That's always fun. So please head back on over to the module to see what you need to complete for your independent practice. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'd be more than happy to help. And I hope you guys have a great day. Bye, friends.